Hello there! In this video we will practice the intervals again. And in this video I will use all of the intervals. We will do it quickly this time, so you have like 5 to 10 seconds to reproduce. And then I'm gonna give you the answer on the screen. I made this training a bit harder on purpose because one of my students really wants to learn to hear both of the notes. So that is what you are going to hear as well. I'm not going to play this and then do this. I'm only going to play this. So what you got to do is you got to listen to the highest one and the lowest one. And then you do this. Na, na. Then fill in the blanks. Na, 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 na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa. Do, fa. And then you know for sure it's a perfect fourth. So, let's begin training those ears. Here we go. The first one I'm gonna play is this one. Major third. This was a minor sixth. This was a perfect fourth. Major second. The tritone. Major third. Minor seventh. A perfect fifth. A minor third. A major sixth. Minor second. major seventh, the perfect unison, the prime, an octave, a tritone, a minor third, a perfect fifth, a major sixth, a minor sixth, a major second, a perfect fourth, a minor seventh, a major third, an octave, a minor second, a major seventh, a minor third, a perfect fourth, a tritone, a major sixth, and the last one is going to be And that was a perfect fifth. So, how many of these were difficult? How many of these were easy for you to hear? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, also let me know and I will try to answer them correctly. Yeah, and furthermore, I just wish you lots of fun with practicing those ears. And remember, if you do this a lot, your musical ear will improve. And if this was a bit too difficult for you, that's totally fine. I mean, you cannot be good at something right away. You have to be willing to be bad at it first in order to get good. So I have made some other practice videos where I explain the difference between the intervals separately. So then you can practice by hearing the minor and major third first, for instance, or the minor and major second. Anyway, I wish you lots of fun with practicing, and I hope to see you around on some of my other videos. So, goodbye. Bye.